Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to turn off Instagram notifications, pretty much how to turn off all notifications on Instagram. Now these are the two ways. So first way is going on these three stripes in the top corner right here, going to settings and then clicking notifications. Here you can pause all notifications for 8 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, right? But that won't do much, right? You want to pretty much turn off notifications for unlimited amount of time. So what we can do is we can go to post stories and comments, we can turn off the likes, we can turn everything here off, we can go to following and followers, turn everything off, right? But the easiest way here is and again, you also have from Instagram here, you can also turn off these, but the easiest way is going back and going to your settings, right? So if you go to your settings right here, we can go here to settings, we can scroll down until we see apps. Obviously on your iPhone it will be a little bit different, but pretty much almost the same. Then type in Instagram, click on Instagram, and what we can do is click notifications and just disable all notifications right here, because it's easier for us to block all notifications. That's pretty much how to turn off Instagram notifications, the two different ways. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, useful videos and tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.